Oh my god. That bird is not scared.
Where's the jaguar? I want to see the jaguar join the fight. Get good pictures of that, dude.
Is that a stick in your way? You do a video.
I am.
Guys, I'm doing a video.
I'm already doing a video.
Alright, I'm Chris. How's this going to turn out? He pulls at the end of them, try to get him away from there. He must have a nest there. Yeah, you're really not helping. Yellow bird.
That bluebird's smart.
He knows how to do it. So not helpful.
Ooh.
Please.
Oh, we got him stretched out. Look. Look at him, man. He's poking him. Now the snake just wants to get away from him. I think he's hurting him.
Probably.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Mom, it's like you're one of those people that talks all the time during the movie. Is he bad? What's he doing there? Did he do that? Video for.
Ooh. I think the bird got bit.
You said so.
That's where a tree snake?
This thing's outnumbered, bro.
Mira.
You dumb, bro.
Look, he's trying to just get away.
Mira la boca de la serpiente.
Why can't he go real fast?
Qué bueno el pájaro.
He's going.
Oh,
I
oh.
think that's it. Go,
It's just
snake,
a little
go
green
away.
snake, though. It's not like...
I think he's dead.
Where's its? Oh, its head is down, going down. Panther. That's a
Look at the panther in the back.
Yes.
Yeah, he's not gonna like it if he gets down there.
Well, he's got no other choice, I guess.
There.
He's getting poked on everywhere.
Snatch him up, fine.
Look, there's a panther too.
No, Pablo, comida no había.
Oh my gosh, I don't think that snake is doing
Ya viste que
well.
para los pájaros mataron la víbora, la están.
Todavía la viva.
Como le pica.
That bird is not giving up.
No, he's
Won't let
trying
him-
to... The snake's
won't let
trying to
him
get
leave.
away.
Ay, la serpiente falleció.
The bird got it.
I think he's dead now. Poor snake.
Yeah, that's how that turned out. That
Snake
bird is
probably
not
had
giving up.
little snake children to feed. Poor snake.
Oh my god, oh, he slipped away. He still won't let him get away.
Wait, where is he now?
Well, just let him go. Maybe now he can hide in there. He'll probably come back.
Did they get him?
No, the snake dropped.
He's on the ground now. I can't see because
I don't.
Wow.